The lower trading today in the Dow didn't do too much more than indicate that the doldrums of the summer are still in progress. However, the Doji type day gave us another reference as far as knowing what should happen after a Doji. Prices will usually move in the direction of how they open after a Doji. So with stochastics heading down and kind of a dumpling top, if it opens lower tomorrow, the likelihood of a lower trading market is extremely high, with the prospects of it moving back eventually to test the 50, which would coincide with the last little dip that we've seen. If we see the markets open lower, and we have individual stock charts such as YY, where it had the dark cloud signal failing at the 200, followed a few days later by an evening star signal, which told us they weren't coming back up through this level, and closed as a Doji today, makes this a very simple trade and a timely trade for the option trader. But if it opens lower tomorrow, more than likely it's going to trade lower. And knowing what our Doji sandwich represents, which is if this is day one and it opens lower after the Doji tomorrow, there's a good possibility this candle here will be the same magnitude as this candle here. That allows you to immediately start putting puts on with the anticipation of a big move to the downside. That same analysis can be applied to a lean hog chart. October lean hogs had a downtrend, pulled back up, bearish engulfing, now kind of a Doji sandwich below the T line. Now we can then analyze where the next price move will be. Stochastics are rolling over. If they don't support right here, which means you have a little profitability before you see what they do. If it breaks this level, now we've got a bearish J-hook pattern. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 being the same magnitude as wave 1. Knowing what the patterns and signals illustrate as far as investor sentiment allows the candlestick investor or any investor applying candlesticks on their charts, no matter what trading program they're using, it makes it much more clear as what's going on in investor sentiment. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.